Oh, this is awesome to be part of the UW Black team, especially Learn to Trade Sydney. I think after being in London recently, I had lunch with Greg Secker and himself. Hi Greg, if you're watching this, thanks for the lunch by the way. But Greg said to me, the number one tip that he gave me about trading was to nail one strategy with a couple of currency pairs, know them intimately, and you're on your way. Get a big account too, you can make a lot of money. So, and it's proven to be very successful. I'm up 15% on my account this month, so can't complain. Thank you very much, Greg. Thank you to my coach, Dave Stewart. He is the number one coach. I reckon that Greg Second's got the best coaches, the Forex coaches in the world here in Sydney. I love it. I don't live in Sydney. I fly out all the time from Melbourne, but it's like coming to see my family. It is brilliant. It's just a great environment. Everyone's passionate about what they're doing, and even the coaching clients, we get together to help each other out. I did have a full-time job, but I quit it. I wasn't living my dream or my passion. Always been interested in the trading lifestyle. Then I heard the man himself, Greg Secker, talk on stage. I said, right, now I know how I'm going to learn. I'm going to get access to this, and here I am. 6 months later, nailing it, knocking it out of the park. With the coaches and the support team I have around Learn to Trade Sydney, I know that I will be a successful Forex trader. There's nothing better than being around people like Greg and even the coaches, because you want to mimic what they've done. And there's nothing wrong with that, you know. I want to learn from the best, and the best is Learn to Trade.